One day I was praying in the woods and I heard a man speaking. It got my attention because it reminded me of home, Papa. As I drew near, I remember now meeting Johnny in the woods. He seemed so small, yet so powerful, like a honey badger with a bow. Deadly. Now, as I do recall, I came upon him gutting a buck he'd strung up from a tree about 27 paces from where I'd stood, near the top of a hill where the sun was just peeking over. A rope was slung over a tall branch which was tied to a stick that was protruding from each of the animal's hind legs. It was as if I could taste the sounds I've grown up hunting. But the efficiency at which Johnny removed the organs from the beast produced a mist of blood and gore that left me frozen watching the creature being expertly disemboweled. As it swung back and forth, it looked as though Johnny was waltzing a dance with it. Johnny moved carefully, stepping with the swinging corpse, a ball here in the woods. The pageantry of it all. So terrifying was this scarlet spectacle of viscera-infused fog rolling down the hill that I couldn't look away. The natural beauty and precision I will never forget. Just as I walked up, I realized he was doing all this while on the telephone, having some type of conversation about real estate, renters, Corpus Christi, Puerto Rico, and then I heard him yelling about Wall Street and laughing in such a way. In such a way I remember thinking I'd come across the devil himself. Looking back now, that seems silly, because Johnny is a good boy. A great man, a father, and a real estate killer. I'm telling you, he's shown and taught me things. Johnny is like the devil doing the Lord's work. If there ever was such a thing, he is it, and it is him. All I know is, I am happy to have Johnny on my team. Johnny helped me to grow my portfolio and unload it. God bless Johnny. God bless America. Johnny will give y'all the gory details at flowingdoor.com. Or call 1-800-850-2131 to talk with a junior consultant now about what Johnny can do for you now. Johnny...